Presenting Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 with quad speaker and Dolby Atmos in the color grey. The Tab A7 comes in 3 color variants of grey, gold and silver, and in combinations of 2 style variants of Wi-Fi plus 4G and Wi-Fi only, and 2 pattern variants of tablet and Wi-Fi plus LTE. The Tab A7 boasts 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory that allows you to run multiple apps without any hassle and store your files. The storage is further expandable up to 1 TB. The Tab features a 10.4-inch immersive display with a 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution and symmetric bezel for an uninterrupted visual experience for gaming, watching videos, multitasking and more. The Samsung tablet comes with 8 megapixels primary camera and 5 megapixels front camera for all your photo shooting needs. This tablet lets you enjoy seamless apps and gaming experience with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. The Tab features a long-lasting 7040 mAh battery with fast adaptive charging. The box includes tablet, travel adapter, data cable, SIM ejector pin and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.